So I think this generation is going to deal with AI very quickly. I think AI is going to, in the next 24, 36 months, is going to take on more of a crazy upswing in companies. Because what's a major expense of a company?
Staff.
Correct. So guess what? That company is looking to replace eventually using AI. Staff. What does that do to the profitability of that company? Skyrockets. What happens to the stock value of the company? Skyrockets.
Right.
So I believe the play next 5, 10, 15, 20 years is not real estate. It's equities, growth, nuclear, because AI is coming in and all these EVs are coming in. Right now in Texas, we have a power shutdown. And if everybody starts plugging in their Tesla, their electric car in California, California's power gets shut down.
Wow.
We cannot base the future of EV, we cannot base the future of AI on its current electric power grid. We have to have nuclear. And so to me, that's one of the things I'm looking at in terms of my investments.
Nuclear?
Energy.
Interesting.
New generation of energy.
Are you telling your kids and your employees that you might be replaced in a few years? So you need to develop a really good skill?
The cool thing about the insurance industry, it's not a high talent type of operation. AI it actually enhances a lot of our operations. The only thing we foresee ourselves in the future is going to explode the insurance business because tough times. Fear sharpens listening.
Right.
Tough times. None of our clients have lost any money because of insurance policies and the insurance contracts that it's based on. Because insurance companies, some of the brilliant investment managers in the world are managers of investment firms' finances because they have to promise a client you will not lose and we'll pay you a death benefit or pay you an interest rate guarantee, contractually guaranteed by what we promised 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago. Investment managers of insurance companies can't get risky. They have to be stable. They have to be secure. Otherwise, they get bad ratings from the rating agencies, right. And we get bad ratings from the insurance agencies or the financial agencies. Correct. No client wants to go there and put their money in that insurance company.
Dude, I love the way you built your lifestyle because you're recession proof.
I am.
That's incredible. It's really hard to get to for most people.
And pandemic proof too.
Right. A lot of people got wrecked during that.
Yeah. And so when stock market goes down, my second book, Gotcha, it's a best-selling book. It talks about my favorite client for 21 years, 22 years now. She hasn't lost any money. Withdraws her money from her retirement account without paying a dime in tax. Wow. Her and her husband are now retired, living this next golden chapter of life in dignity, even though they have to pay $5,000 a month into a retirement community because they can't get up and down their house in Chicago anymore because of their age. Selling their house, they move into a retirement community, not retirement home. Retirement community where there's activities. Every day, they look at it, like, look at the schedule. It's a cruise ship on land. Yeah. Make new friends, enjoying this chapter of life. Why do I talk about this client so much in my book, Gotcha? Who's safe and secure in this world today? The reason I talk about that client, it's my mother. Wow. So I've made sure I got involved in financial service business to help the people I love and care about. And that first person at that time was my mom. Because I'm seeing this financial firm and this insurance firm helping these strangers. I'm like, man, I'm thinking about my mom that way. How come I'm not helping my mom? How am I going to help my family? So that's one of the selfish reasons I got involved in financial services outside the great money that you make. But I want to take some of the values and principles and strategies while people are getting wealthy to help my own family. Right. Because people today, the middle class income generation, that's the demographic that I serve, the multicultural middle income demographic sadly will never get rich. But they don't deserve to be broke. Agreed. They're never going to get fancy with crypto. They're never going to get fancy. They're going to get sophisticated in their investments inside their 401k. But they don't deserve to be broke. They need to deserve all their life. Now retiring at 60, they deserve having consistency, not having stress. Now, where's my money coming from? Inflation is kicking my ass. So if I have aging parents, if I have aging relatives, I should care about their financial situation because if they're not taking care of themselves, guess who's going to be asking for help?
Kids.
You.
Yeah.
Kids, grandkids.
Yeah, you've really found your purpose, your mission, it sounds like.
It's exciting.
Yeah,
exciting.
Great.